Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101 and it's time for another Christmas spread. So here we go. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all, as you probably see from my title, and it is for the week of December 13th through the 19th, and I'm going to be using the Hooray seasonal book. So here we go. There's a beautiful winter season in there that I wanted to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the sidebar and add this beautiful list of things. So it says winter memories, but I can use that for other things. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place my first box. Jingle and Mingle with the same kind of colors, so it's all sorts of colors for Christmas. So we have pinks and teals and reds and greens, so it gives me a huge chance to play with different colors. Okay, it's slightly crooked, but I'm just gonna leave it be. Since I'm going to be writing on top of it, it won't probably show anyway. I use another large box, like a long strip box, right in the Sunday section, and then I'm gonna use these really different rounded boxes. I really like those huge snowflakes, and I can write inside of them, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun to have something different like that in my planner. Okay, so let's add the third one. I think it's really beautiful. So we have green, teal, and red so far, and now it's time to add a different green, one more green. So I have those so far. I'm gonna go ahead and add some to-dos, like ready to do boxes. I think this week is going to be so busy for me, so I want to make it as functional as possible. Okay, while I'm putting those boxes, I wanted to say thank you. If you are coming back to my channel, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. If you are here for the first time, welcome. I really hope you will enjoy spending time with me and creating spreads. So if you do, don't forget to subscribe, and I would love to see you back here very soon. Okay, as you can see, I'm making little clusters of boxes. I think that's so much fun to do when they're kind of layered on top of another like this, and it makes it more decorational, even though it's fully functional. At least this one is. And I'm gonna add checklists on top, because even though I have all of this writing space, my guess for next week is it's not going to be enough. I have tons of stuff, and Christmas is coming up, and I'm still finishing up the house and things, so little by little I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna add some checklists. I'm gonna stick with the same colors, so we have the teal, but I think it's too close to the box color and it's going to melt in, so I'm gonna put that on Saturday instead and bring that beautiful dark teal down, and I'm gonna bring some red, more red into this side there, and then a lighter teal on Thursday. If you are looking for a very functional spread, I think it doesn't get much more functional than this. You have multiple boxes on each day and checklists all over the place, and I'm gonna add a few decorational pieces weaved in between. I'm gonna add these Christmas lights. They're so beautiful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of see how they fit and use this is a Signa Uni-Ball white gel pen, and I'm just gonna remove some of the harsh black lines and then add these lights all around the boxes. So I'm gonna lift this gently up, just super gently, and then place it back down without any bubbles. There, that's lovely. Okay, and then next up, I'm gonna add those gifts right in my little section in the sidebar. It's so hard for me to write on that bottom piece of my planner, so a lot of times I will just decorate that portion. Okay, and then I have these really beautiful candy canes, and I want to add some of these snowflakes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add them right at the edge there. I think that's gonna kind of make it fun. And then I'll add some individual ones here and there with holly and stuff like that. And then you guys, the following week is Christmas. So I don't even know what I'm going to do as far as planning yet, but I am already beyond excited about it. I can't wait to do like a full-on Christmas spread. Okay, so this spread is super busy. I sometimes like making them look like this because, like I said, when it comes to busy weeks, they're going to be so filled in with pen that these decorations really need to stand out for the spread to be really visible. So I also found these half circles that I can just add to the boxes and really fill in the spaces. So love this life, love this day. Just do it. I like having little reminders on busy weeks like this to keep me going. Joy to all. It's so Christmassy. Okay, and then I'm gonna overlap them a little. And this one will say, yay for today, enjoy to all. And then one more on this side. So much fun, love this day. Hopefully I will, because I don't know what's happening that day yet. And then I'm gonna add one more, best day ever, and I think I am done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks, bye!